Today we are standing at Cumbum Valley Winery Private Limited, Thaini. It is one of the biggest and prestigious winery for Gripple India. We have received the inquiry from Cumbum Valley through our website. So our team, Global Director and Director visited the site to demonstrate the products.
People came to know by the website. At that time we are searching to make the latest technology, bring it to India, grape garden. And we called your people. Immediately they brought all the samples and all the technology, all the things they brought in. Immediately they attended.
After visiting the site, we demonstrated our complete Gripple solution, which includes products such as Gripple Plus range, GP1, GPAK kit and anchors.
As soon as we ordered with the Gripple, they shipped our consignment. All the engineers visited your people. And the installation, they were helped us to very nice material. And cost also very less.
The client really liked our product because Gripple products are easy to install, less time consuming as compared to the traditional method.
Very nice experience with the Gripple. Still, from the day one till our still service is need, they will send people. Good service, good, very good.